Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take acrylic paint off of an LPS. You will go from this to this if you follow these steps. Start off by taking some nail polish and cotton balls. Q-tips could work as well, it will just take a lot longer. Be sure to keep any other LPS away so they don't get damaged. Now start running the hot water and throw the LPS in it. This will cause the paint to soften up and it will be easier to take off. Put some nail polish onto the cotton balls and start scrubbing. It'll come off pretty easily depending on how many coats of paint you used, but I used a lot of paint and it came off pretty easily. Once in a while, be sure to run the LPS under hot water. It helps get the paint off. When you've got most of it off, be sure to wash it with cold water and soap to get all the nail polish off. And just like that, you're done. How easy was that? And that is it. Be sure to wash the LPS thoroughly. And now you can start painting. Bye!